The main thing I enjoy about Javelin is the company culture and the sense of community. I also enjoy that heartfelt appreciation from just not only my boss, but the employees around me when I work with different departments. It goes a long way.
I enjoy the exposure I get working in the engineering field, working with customers in virtually every industry.
What I value about Javelin is the culture. The company culture is amazing. They encourage you to keep learning no matter where you are or what you're doing. They're always interested in knowing what you're still interested in learning, and they provide training for that as well. So there's always encouragement to keep growing.
The company makes sure we have a very good work-life balance, and most importantly, they make sure we have a lot of fun while we're at it.
All of the departments, even though they're all so different, they all work together and help each other with everything that they have to accomplish.
Any of the softwares we provide, Javelin is extraordinary at it. The team is filled with so many experts, and we are truly a really, really well-built team.
I never feel like just a cog in a machine. I feel like I'm really part of the family and that my opinion matters. Every month we have a WhatsApp meeting where we send out cheers to people who've accomplished great things.
The WhatsApp meetings every month where everyone tunes in and kind of gets caught up with everything going on within the company, I feel that really provides like a bonding, or it brings the team closer as a whole.
I think one of my favorite customs and events that Javelin has is the back to school celebration that happens every summer.
My favorite event is back to school because they ask you what you're interested in learning, what you still want training in, and they provide seminars and they fly everyone in from across the country, and that's a great experience, and not many companies will provide that kind of experience for their employees. So during the day you have the seminars and your lessons and training, and at night there are special events that you can go to and have fun.
It's not just sort of a full-out training session. There's also a mix of fun and games. There's a lot of social events that we go out to. It's a great way to meet new employees, people who you haven't seen in, say, 4 or 5 months, and you finally, put a face to the name. It's a great way to get everyone together.
My job as the digital marketing intern, I do a lot of the tasks of the marketing department. So I manage social media, send emails, edit the website, work with catalogs and design, and also work with the whole marketing team just to brainstorm new marketing ideas for the company.
So my job as a programmer, not only it allows me to expand out into various departments in Javelin and not strictly into industry applications group. This allows me to do software development and redesign products for Javelin, as well as work with the customers and design custom macros for them to automate their process, as well as do some support cases along with the tech team.
A good part of my job involves writing blog posts and making video content for the additive manufacturing team. That was something we needed to boost this year. So I was hard at work doing a lot of content. It slowly started to transition into me running our 3DP lab. So now I also do materials quoting and print job quoting for customers.
My job entails working with customers in electrical design and process implementation. In a single day, I might get to work with multiple different customers in multiple different industries across Canada.
The ability to work with different departments while still remaining in the marketing department has been valuable for me to learn more about the company and more about the job. It's also valuable as an intern to work with the marketing department to see where my career might progress in the future.
So my team is fairly small, it's about 5 people, and it's really easy to get in touch with all 5 of them, even though they are very busy. I also really like the ability to be able to freely speak to my supervisor about what I want to work on, what project I need to do, and how I can achieve those goals.
I like that I get to work as part of a large team with experts in so many different fields. There's always something new to learn.
I love the fact that I'm able to undertake a lot of my own interesting projects and endeavors that are related to my field of work, and have those projects be recognized by my team and even the rest of the company as something valuable.
The work-life balance here is great. I find a lot of employees here not only are coworkers, but are also friends.
Javelin is awesome at balancing work and personal life. One day I might be working from a customer site, another day working from the Javelin office, and another day working from home.
There's plenty of time to spend at home with your family and with your friends. There's always a good balance between that kind of stuff.